Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to use overdraft money on your Lloyds Bank account. So if you're new to overdrafts or just want to understand how it works, we're going to break it down simply. So first, let's quickly explain what an overdraft actually is. So basically, it's a feature that lets you spend more money than what you actually have in your account, up to an agreed limit of course. So think of it as a short-term safety net for bills, emergencies, or unexpected expenses. So to use your overdraft, you don't actually have to do anything special at an ATM or online. If you try to make a payment, withdraw cash, or even set up a direct debit and your balance is low, your overdraft will automatically cover the shortfall, as long as it's within your agreed limit. So here's a quick tip guys, check your available overdraft in Lloyds online banking or the mobile app before you spend. It will show you your balance, your overdraft limit, or interest if you go into your overdraft. So speaking of fees, remember that most overdrafts actually charge daily or monthly interest if you use them. So it's best to only use it when it's necessary and pay it back as soon as you can. And that's basically it. So using Lloyds overdraft is as simple as spending money normally. The bank will cover you as long as it's within the limit. So just keep an eye on your account so you know how much you can safely spend. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.